Hey, we're at Expo 24 with a UVify's booth. UVify is a Drone Code Silver member, thanks to Rob right here. Rob, how are you been?
Good, Ramon.
Having a good show?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, man. Well, I'm excited because you got really cool hardware right here. So, can you tell me about what you got going here?
Yeah, absolutely. So, this is the Omega, which stands for Open Modular Environment for General Autonomy. So basically, this is our open source developers platform. I would say this is the most powerful open developer platform on the market. We can equip it with either an Intel NUC or a Jetson of your choice, with or without a OS32 or whatever lidar of your choice. GPS, also you can mount it with a variety of cameras of your choice. So again, this is really built for those that need like heavy computing to do their research in autonomy.
Awesome. And what sort of open source project can you run in this? Can you run PX4?
Absolutely.
Can you run ROS?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So this is made for the advanced roboticists out there that want to have a good platform that run open source technologies in.
This is made for you.
And what else do you got going here? This is the IFO?
That's the IFO S,
okay.
the classic. The S is for swarm research.
Oh,
so
cool.
Built on top of our IFO light show drone platform, which we all know and love.
I think it's this guy.
Yeah, it's that guy over there.
This guy right here.
A little different. You can always see these at the Drone Code events, at the Developer Summit.
Oh yeah. It's the second year that the Developer Summit. There's been a drone swarm. Thanks to UVify for sponsoring. And it's one of these guys.
Yes.
So if you're interested in doing research and development on the swarm components, this is the platform you should be looking at.
Absolutely. Or anything. If you need something that doesn't need as much of a payload, this is costs a little bit less because we mass produce these. But for swarm research, this is probably the way you want to go.
All right, so if you're a PX4 developer and you like what you're seeing here, wouldn't it be great if you get to work building these guys? So UVify is hiring. What sort of positions are you hiring for right now?
So we're hiring everyone. Some of the positions were...
You heard, everyone. Apply now.
PX4 developers, embedded software.
You got a nice graphic going on here.
Embedded hardware.
So you're PX4 developers, embedded software, embedded hardware, application developers.
Oh, we're on.
Oh man, you're hiring for every position.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, and is this full-time? Is this a remote position? Are you looking in person?
All of the above. So
okay.
We recently hired some people remotely, actually through the foundation, I'm glad to say.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking for all the above. Remote's fine, on-site.
Anything else?
Okay. Hey, well, if you're good.
Okay, Rob is open to chat. Why don't you send his resume? Where can they find more info on the job openings? UVify.com?
Yeah, UVify.com or right here, career@UVify.com.
Awesome. Well, Rob, it was great catching up with you at Xponential 24 in San Diego.
Absolutely. Or you can go through Drone Code Foundation to reach out to us.
That is one of the best ways you could do it.
Absolutely.
Glad to catch up with you in San Diego, and let's see where we can find each other again next year. Hopefully at the summit.
Hopefully at the summit.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, community. Goodbye.
All right, so we had a little bit of a time jump, and we're halfway across the world now in Japan with Rob again, because in the meantime, it turns out that UVify broke some records. So you want to tell us about what you broke?
Absolutely. Thanks, Mike. A couple weeks ago, we broke the world record for the world's largest, biggest number of simultaneously flying drones. We launched 5,300, so we set the new world record for largest fleet in the sky. But as you probably know, Mike, around Christmas time, we did this charity show, and I think we did 2,025 then, so we more than doubled it.
So we're going exponential now.
Yeah, that's what's happening. And yes, we're going to do it again.
Sweet.
And then again.
And then again, and I think that's what defines UVify, right? You're always pushing towards the next thing.
Correct.
So we're here at ICRA. Anything about the show you want to tell the audience? What might people in the open source community benefit from if they were to come to ICRA?
Right. So I think there's so many great things about this conference. I mean, it's just a wonderful collection of some amazing people. There's just wonderful talent. You can learn about some really great technology, what's going on in robotics, what's going on in AI, what's coming in terms of of research, in terms of future possible products, and basically it's just, I think it's one of the best conferences, in the world.
Yeah, and it's a great place to hire people, and don't forget, like Rob said in the last segment, they are hiring. So
Now.
right now. Well, nice to see you again, Rob, here in another country, but I'm sure I'll see you in another one soon.
Thanks again, Mike. Always good seeing you.